Can you really make money from online courses? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 4 secrets that you can use to make money from online courses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Godstime Ifeni, the Money Magnet Coach. If you're just joining my YouTube channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I drop awesome videos like this, and also do not forget to like this video and every other video on this YouTube channel. So if you're joining for the first time, once you're done with this video, you can check my other videos that will guide you on how to make money online, how to structure your personal finances, and a whole lot on entrepreneurship, digital marketing, and so many other areas. So let's get right into today's video. How much money can you make from online courses? Now, this is one of the questions I get asked often by people, that is it possible to make money from courses? Is it possible to make money selling knowledge, information online? Yes, it is possible to make money from selling knowledge as online courses. Now, being stuck at home thanks to COVID-19, that has led a lot of people to ask questions like, what can I do? What should I learn? This has resulted to a big market for online courses. Now, during the lockdown in 2020, there were a lot of people who were asking questions like, what can I learn? What skill can I learn to make money? What can I do to grow my business? And this resulted to a big market for online courses. In fact, it is stipulated that the market was worth $107 billion in 2015, $190 billion in 2018, and is expected to exceed $300 billion by 2025 as at the time of recording this video. This is gotten from e-learning market size by technology. Now, you need to understand that you can make money from online courses. Right, so if you're not already selling an online course, you're missing out on a big opportunity. But the question remains, so how much money can I make from online courses? How can I start making money from online courses? We're going to get right into that now. So before we get into how you can start making money from online courses, there are many ways you can make money online. One of them is creating and selling online courses. If you are skilled in any relevant subject or aspect, maybe you are skilled in graphic design, website design, you know how to cook, whatever you know how to do, right? You can sell a course and people will buy, because people want to learn. People want to learn how to bake. People want to learn how to sing. People want to learn how to play the keyboard. People want to learn how to design websites. People want to learn how to do the graphic designs. People want to learn data entry, accounting. People want to learn how to start a business, right? People want to learn how to import, how to export. There are a lot of things people want to learn. So this is an opportunity for you to make money from online courses. I mean, making money from the comfort of your home. You don't have to open a physical shop to sell an online course, right? You don't have to invest so much money to start making money from online course. No. You can start making money from online course right from the comfort of your home, with your smartphone, with your laptop. If you don't have a laptop, you are not an expert, don't worry, you can make money from online course. Online courses have become very popular, with tens of millions of people online every month who want to learn a particular thing. Online course is a big market. When people get stuck or look for ways to do things, the first point of call these days happens to be an online course. If someone is looking to learn baking, like I said, to build a business, to learn how to play a music instrument, to do almost anything, millions of them learn it through online course, taught by professionals, taught by skillful people, right? So you can use your area of expertise to make money online while teaching others. It could be music, coding, business, blogging, making money, anything at all. There are people out there willing to learn. You just have to connect to the right audience. So let's get right into the 4 secrets to making money from online course. If you're getting value already, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and put in the comment section, I am getting value, I want to start making money from online course. So put in the comment section, I want to start making money from online courses. All right, secret 1, pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. Pick a topic you're good at teach and have a result in. If you must make money selling online courses, then you have to pick a topic you are good at teaching and have result in. Many people make this mistake. They want to start making money from online course and they just go ahead to say, okay, I have passion for this, and they go ahead to create an online course. Don't make the mistake of creating an online course around what you have passion for. Create an online course around what you can teach and have result in. I'm going to explain why I said so. Let's look at the 3 reasons why I said so. Now, there are 2 major reasons, but I'm going to give you a bonus, right? If you want a bonus to the reasons why you should pick a topic you're good at teaching and have result in, put it in comment section that you want the bonus. Put it in the comment section, I want the bonus, right? So there are 2 major reasons. Like I said, I'll add the bonus. And there are people buy online courses because of the results they want to get and because of the knowledge they want to acquire. So people buy online courses because they want to acquire a specific knowledge and they want to achieve a particular result. So you need to pick a topic you are good at teaching and have result in, because people are not interested in information. They're interested in acquiring a specific knowledge. So let me give you an example, right? For instance, I am running a business offering services as a ghostwriter, right, for busy professionals and busy entrepreneurs. So if you're watching this video and you're a busy professional, you're a busy entrepreneur who want to become an author but you don't have the time to write the book, then you can reach out to me via my email or click my WhatsApp link. You get right into my WhatsApp and we can talk. Now, I have a ghostwriting service, okay? So if I want to get more clients in my ghostwriting service, I will need to learn how to get more clients for my ghostwriting service, right? So if I see a particular online course that says ghostwriting clients secrets revealed or something like that, how to get more clients into your ghostwriting business, do you think I will not buy it? I will buy it. Why? Because I am running a ghostwriting business and I have seen an online course that will give me the kind of knowledge I need and the kind of result I want to achieve. So people buy online courses for 2 major reasons: because of the result they want to achieve and because of the knowledge they want to acquire. They don't buy an online course because you have passion for creating an online course on that topic. No, they buy it because you are delivering value to them so that they can achieve a particular result and acquire a particular knowledge. Now, the bonus that I said I was going to give to you, the 3rd reason why you should pick a topic you're good at teaching and have result in, is because people want to learn from those who already have a track record. People want to learn, or people want to buy online courses from somebody who already have a track record. So you, for instance, I have a video course on how to create an online course with your smartphone. I've been creating different online courses, selling them using just my smartphone. Right now, I created that course because I already have track record in creating courses with my smartphone and making money from them. So if somebody wants to buy an online course, someone wants to learn how to create an online course with a smartphone, the person does not have a laptop, the person is not an expert, but wants to learn how to create an online course using a smartphone. I have track record in that. So when I say buy my video course on how to create an online course using your smartphone, the person is going to buy from me because I already have a track record. I have testimonials of people who have taken the course and they have created their course, launched their course, they're making money from their course. So you can see that people will buy your course because you have track record in that particular topic you are teaching and you have result in. Right? So do not create an online course, do not launch an online course when you don't have a track record. Now, I'm not saying you need to have 100% track record, right? But you need to have at least something that is convincing, something that will persuade the buyers to buy your online course, right? So pick a topic you're good at teaching and have resulting. Now put in the comment section what you have decided to pick a topic on. Put it in comment section. Okay, I've decided to pick a topic on this because I am good at teaching this and because I have resulting. Put it in comment section. I'm going to reply your comment. Put it in comment section that you're good at this topic and you have results in this topic. So put it in the comment section. And if you are finding it difficult to pick a particular topic, put it in the comment section that you are finding it difficult to pick a particular topic you're good at teaching. All right, so the secret number 2 on how to make money from online courses is to identify a high demanding problem your topic can solve. Identify a high demanding problem your topic can solve. It's not enough to have a topic to teach. Your topic must be solving a demanding problem, because that is one of the secrets to making money from online courses. You want to make money from online courses, right? So you need to identify a high demanding problem your topic can solve. It's not enough to have a topic to teach. So for instance, I gave you an example of smartphone online course creation blueprint, right? So that is a high demanding problem, because a lot of people think that they need a laptop to create an online course. A lot of people think that they need to show their face before the camera so that they can create an online course. If you're camera shy, you don't need to show your face to create an online course. Now, do you know that what I'm currently doing now, putting my screen, showing my slides, I can make this an online course. Of course, this is not an online course, but I'm just giving you an example. What I'm doing, I'm using Google Slide to create my slides, and I'm using Camtasia to record my video. That's what I need, right? So for those who don't have a laptop, you need a smartphone. What you need is something like A to Z recorder, and you can use Google Slide, you can use Canva to record your slides, teach what you're good at that solves a high demanding problem, and put it up on platforms like Seller. You can start marketing your course. So you don't need so much knowledge on creating an online course, right? So identify a high demanding problem. Your topic must solve that demanding problem. For instance, let's say you have decided to pick a topic on marriage and relationship. Okay, so let's say you pick a topic on sex, for instance. You have to solve a problem. So it can be the husband not enjoying sex in marriage, how you can enjoy sex in your marriage as a man. Now that's a powerful topic, because a lot of men are not enjoying sex in a marriage. Some women are not enjoying sex in a marriage. So you either create a course for the man or you create a course for the woman. You can create both courses for the man and the woman, and you're selling them and making your money. But the goal is that you're identifying a high demanding problem your topic can solve. If you want to make money from online course, then you need to solve a high demanding problem. When there is a high demanding problem to solve, then your money will come to your pocket, okay, or to your bank account. Anyways, that's just by the way, but I'm sure you're getting value. Put in the comment section what you have gotten so far. Let me know. And if you're yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop awesome videos like this. Now let's move to the next secret. Secret 3: focus on the buyers and not the I am interested. Focus on the buyers and not the I am interested. Making money from courses is not rocket science. If you don't target the buyers, then you will create and launch an online course that won't sell. In another video, I'm going to be talking about 7 guaranteed ways to sell your online course. So maybe you have created your online course and you're struggling to sell that course, or you're about to launch your online course and you're afraid, what if I don't sell the course? Don't worry, I'm going to do another video. So if you want me to do another video on 7 guaranteed ways to sell your online course, put it in comment section. Do the video on 7 guaranteed ways to sell your online course. All right, so focus on the buyers and not the I am interested. A lot of people want to make money from online course, but they make this mistake of focusing on I am interested. So somebody says, what's your course about? This is okay, I'm interested. I'm interested doesn't convert to sales until the person sends the money into your account. The person is not a buyer. Until the person pays for that course, the person is not a buyer, right? So you need to focus on the buyers. Focus on the buyers and not the I am interested. Now, who are the buyers? Buyers are people who are not only interested in that particular course you're selling or you want to sell, but they have the money to pay for it, right? So the mistake a lot of people make is, especially when it comes to running an online business, a lot of people focus on people who are interested but they don't have the financial capacity to pay for their product or service. So you don't want to make that mistake with online course. If you want to make money from online courses, then you need to create courses for buyers, not for freebies. People who are looking for free things. Why don't you sell it for? Why don't you give it for free? Those are not the people you are looking for. If you build an audience that are always interested but never buy, you're going to be broke despite you created an online course. You don't want that to happen to you. So focus on the buyers and not the interested. And the last is get a detailed training on how to make money from online course. See, no matter how many videos you watch on YouTube or articles you read on Google, there are certain information you won't find until you pay to learn. Now, for instance, I just mentioned focus on the buyers and not the I am interested. Now, you'll be asking a question, okay, how do I get these buyers? How do I know them? Those are questions that I can't answer in details in this video, right? So that's why you need to get a detailed training on how to make money from online course. No matter how many videos, like I said, you watch on YouTube or articles you read on Google, there are certain secrets you won't find until you pay to learn. So be that person that always want to pay for information. You want to learn and you will pay for it, not because you are the richest man in the world, but because you value information. You value sacred information. There's certain information that you won't find in a book. I can bet you that there are certain information about making money, business, marriage, relation, you won't find in the book. Why? Because those things are things that are within the circumference of learning from coaches, learning from mentors, right? So get a detailed training on how to make money from online course. Like I said earlier, I have a video course that will guide you on how to create an online course, market the course, and make money from the course. So I'll put in a link in the comment and also in the description that will guide you on how to get access to that course. So I'll put the link there. You can click on it, read the sales page on everything you will be getting from this video course, right? So let me go over again to the first secret I mentioned on how to make money from online course. Number one, I said pick a topic, right? Pick a topic you're good at teaching and have results in. If you must make money selling online courses, you have to pick a topic you're good at teaching. You are good at teaching. So now if you say, okay, what if I'm not good at teaching? It's something you can learn. Teaching is a skill, right? So you can learn how to teach. The way I'm talking, teaching is not something that is hard. It's a skill that you can learn. All right. Now, next thing I said, okay, why you should pick a topic, I said there are three major reasons. One is because people buy courses because of results, people buy courses because they want to acquire knowledge, and people buy online courses because of the course creator has a track record in what he or she is delivering as a course, right? Then secret two, I said identify a high demanding problem your topic can solve. It's not enough to have a topic to teach. Your topic must solve a high demanding problem, right? Then number three, I said focus on the buyers, not the I am interested. Making money from courses is not rocket science. So you need to target buyers, not I am interested. Then lastly, get a detailed training on how to make money from online courses. These are the secrets to making money from online course. So like I said, if you want to get more details on how to make money from online course, click on the link in the comment section and also in the description. It will take you to my sales page where you will see more details on how to get access to this course. This course is currently on a 70% discount for 3,000 naira. Soon enough it will go back to 10,000 naira, so you want to get the discount as quick as possible. I'll see you in the next video where I'll share with you something amazing. So if you would like me to do a particular video on a specific topic, put it in the comment section. Let me know what kind of video you want me to create for you on my YouTube channel. And if you're yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification, and also like this video. Ensure you like this video. I'm sure you love this video and you got value from this. Like this video, share this video with your friends on your WhatsApp status, your Facebook, your Instagram. Let more people get value from this YouTube channel. My name remains God's Time Efeni. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.